Welcome to SMART-AGRI Hub. Today, we'll take a closer look at the earning potential of raising 50 New Zealand white rabbits. You'll discover how much income you can expect from this venture and learn practical strategies to boost your profits. Whether you're new to rabbit farming or looking to optimize your existing operation, this guide will provide valuable insights. Let's get started on your journey to successful rabbit farming. The New Zealand white rabbit is renowned for its striking white fur, red eyes, and robust build. This breed is highly favored in commercial rabbit farming due to its rapid growth rate and efficient feed conversion. Their calm temperament and adaptability make them easy to manage in various farming environments. Additionally, New Zealand whites consistently produce high-quality meat and pelts, contributing to their reputation as a profitable choice for breeders and farmers alike. Starting a rabbit farm requires careful consideration of the initial investment. The primary costs include purchasing 50 healthy rabbits, which forms the foundation of your breeding stock. Additionally, you'll need to allocate funds for constructing suitable housing that provides safety and comfort for the animals. Essential equipment such as feeders, waterers, and cleaning tools are also necessary to maintain a healthy environment. Together, these expenses establish the groundwork for a successful and sustainable rabbit farming operation. Caring for rabbits involves several recurring expenses each month. The primary cost is feed, which includes high-quality hay, pellets, and fresh vegetables to ensure balanced nutrition. Water should always be clean and readily available, though its cost is typically minimal. Healthcare expenses cover routine checkups, vaccinations, and treatments for common ailments. Regular maintenance, such as bedding replacement and cleaning supplies, also contributes to the overall monthly budget, helping to keep your rabbits healthy and their environment sanitary. When considering the breeding potential of 50 adult rabbits, it's important to understand their reproductive cycle. On average, a healthy female rabbit can produce up to 6 litters per year, with each litter containing between 4 and 8 kits. If half of the 50 adults are females and each produces 5 litters annually with 6 kits per litter, you could expect around 750 kits in a year. The gestation period for rabbits is about 30 days, and females can become pregnant again shortly after giving birth. This rapid cycle makes rabbits highly prolific breeders, allowing populations to grow quickly under optimal conditions. To estimate meat production, begin by considering the average yield per rabbit, which typically ranges from 2 to 3 pounds of meat after processing. Market prices for rabbit meat can vary, but they often fall between $5 and $8 per pound, depending on location and demand. By multiplying the yield per rabbit by the market price, you can calculate the revenue generated from each animal. Selling meat locally, such as at farmers markets or to restaurants, may offer different pricing opportunities compared to online sales. Total revenue will ultimately depend on the number of rabbits processed and the chosen sales channels. Beyond meat production, raising rabbits offers several alternative income opportunities. Selling rabbit pelts can provide extra revenue, especially if they are processed and marketed to crafters or garment makers. Rabbit manure is highly valued as an organic fertilizer, making it a sought-after product for gardeners and farmers. Additionally, live rabbits can be sold for breeding purposes or as pets, catering to a variety of customers. These diverse income streams can help maximize the profitability of a rabbit farming operation. Effective marketing strategies are essential for successfully selling rabbit products. Start by identifying your target audience and tailoring your messaging to their interests and needs. Optimize your online presence by maintaining a user-friendly website with clear product descriptions and high-quality images. Utilize social media platforms to showcase your products, engage with potential buyers, and share customer testimonials. Consistent branding and regular updates can help build trust and drive sales over time. Rabbit product prices can fluctuate significantly depending on the season and the region. During certain times of the year, such as holidays or festivals, demand may rise, leading to higher prices. Conversely, in off-peak seasons, prices may drop due to lower demand or increased supply. Regional factors like local preferences, competition, and transportation costs also play a crucial role in determining market value. By closely monitoring these trends and adjusting your production and sales strategies accordingly, you can position your business to maximize profits throughout the year. Rabbit farming presents several common challenges that require careful management. Disease prevention is crucial, as rabbits are susceptible to various illnesses that can spread quickly within a colony. Protecting rabbits from predators, such as foxes and birds of prey, is also essential to ensure their safety and well-being. Additionally, managing breeding cycles efficiently helps maintain a healthy population and prevents overcrowding. Addressing these challenges is key to running a successful and sustainable rabbit farming operation. Across the country, several farmers have transformed their operations by raising New Zealand white rabbits. For example, a family-run farm in the Midwest began with just a handful of rabbits and now supplies local restaurants with premium meat, turning a modest investment into a thriving enterprise. Another entrepreneur in the Southeast focused on breeding high-quality stock for show and pet markets, quickly gaining a reputation for excellence. These stories highlight the breed's adaptability and the diverse opportunities available, from meat production to breeding and even educational programs. Their experiences demonstrate how dedication and smart business strategies can lead to lasting success with New Zealand white rabbits. To estimate potential profits from raising 50 New Zealand white rabbits, we begin by calculating total earnings based on expected market prices for mature rabbits. Next, we factor in all associated expenses, including feed, housing, healthcare, and maintenance costs. By subtracting these expenses from the total revenue, we arrive at the net profit. This step-by-step approach provides a clear picture of the financial outcomes you can anticipate from this rabbit farming venture. As you look to expand your rabbit farming operation, focus on maintaining high standards of animal welfare and efficient production practices. Invest in quality breeding stock and continually educate yourself on the latest industry trends to stay ahead of the competition. Diversifying your product offerings, such as exploring value-added products or niche markets, can help increase profitability. Building strong relationships with buyers and local communities will support long-term business sustainability. Remember, adaptability and a commitment to continuous improvement are key to thriving in the evolving agribusiness landscape. We appreciate you joining us for this exploration into modern agriculture. Your thoughts and experiences are valuable, so feel free to share them below. Stay connected with SMART-AGRI Hub to continue learning about innovative farming practices and the latest industry developments.